Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can boost your chances of getting the ZkSync era airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So ZkSync era airdrop would be one of the biggest airdrop in 2024, and to boost this all you can do is you can go to guild.xyz and get verified for level 1, level 2 and as a Libertas Omnibus holder. So I'm sure most of you must have already done this, and once you get this level access, this might boost your chance of getting some additional ZkSync airdrop. Now alternatively you can go to ZK stars over here and mint this NFTs for 0.001 ETH. At a time you can mint like 20 NFTs. So what this will do is basically it will increase the transactions on the ZkSync network. So more the transaction, I think there would be some additional boost for getting the ZkSync era airdrops. Now you will need to note that although the base price is pretty low, you will still need to go ahead and pay the gas fees. So the gas fees keeps changing on the Ethereum every day. So when I had minted, it was like around, if I remember correctly, 30 cents per NFT. So you can check what's the current gas price or wait for the right gas price and go ahead and you can mint this NFTs over here. Now another thing that you can do is basically you can go to Hypercomic over here and you can start claiming all these NFTs. So basically these are the batches. So as you can see, currently we are on part 2 over here, and if you have been transacting for more than 6 months, then you would be eligible for this ZkSync Legacy NFT over here. And for 4 months is basically ZkSync Tree, and for 2 months is ZkSync Rookie. And then they have this part 3 which is upcoming from 14th February, which is Valentine's Day, to 24th February. So basically if you have transacted on the DMail, I made a separate video as to how you can go ahead and transact on DMail and also purchase their domains and NFTs over here. And then they have this something called as a ZkSync Breacher and ZkSync Volume. Now if we talk about this NFT over here, now the free minting for this NFT is already over, but you will need to wait for the another minting period if they come up with, or else alternatively you can go ahead and buy this on the Element Marketplace. Now you can use my sign up referral link in the description for Element Marketplace in order to get some additional boost. Now as you can see, the floor price for this is like 0.1 Ethereum, which is like more than $230 at the time of making this video. So if you want to go ahead and buy this, you can go ahead and buy this, although in the future we don't know what will be the utility of this NFT, but by holding this NFT, this should increase your ZkSync era airdrops. Now you can also go to SyncSwap over here and check the Libertas Ethereum pool over here, where you can add your Libertas Omnibus NFT in order to get a classic APR of 430%. Although I haven't added it because this might take away my role on the Discord server of Libertas Omnibus holder. So you have to be very careful while adding your Libertas Omnibus NFT to the pool. And as you can see, now the followers for ZkSync is like around 1.3 million, which is a very good sign. And the last step that you can do is you can go to Rhino over here and bridge your Ethereum from ZkSync era to other networks, or maybe vice versa, like from other chains you can swap it to ZkSync era. So these are some of the additional steps you can do in order to get more ZkSync airdrop, although none of this is 100% guaranteed. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.